This is Samsung Galaxy S23 Plus, and today I'm going to demonstrate that you can set up and use the nearby share function on this device. Alrighty, to begin with, make sure to turn on the Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and mobile data. Then open the control center by swiping downwards from the right part of your status bar, and among the available tiles that you have over here, find the nearby share function over here. Then go into its settings, turn on this toggle to enable. Then you can rename the device if you want to. I'll rename it to HardReset S23 Plus, let's say. Then in here you can make the device visible or invisible. Well, obviously in order to receive or send something, we will need to enable its visibility. Then set the mode that it will be visible in. So you can make it so that it will be only visible to your devices or to people from your contacts list or to everyone that is or who is in range. Finally, there is this data section that allows you to also modify which data type will be used for the file transfer. So now our device is all ready to receive files through the nearby share. So I happen to have another device on my hands. So I'll, let's say, send the screenshot, try sending it. Here, as you can see, our S23 Plus gets discovered. So tap on it, then accept transfer at the receiver's end. Once you'll get the request. And here we have it. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye-bye.